Hello guys. So today we are going to learn something new about our universe of class 3rd. Let's start it. So in this chapter we are going to learn about universe, heavenly body, planet, galaxy, Big Bang theory, then what are satellites. So let's start. So, what is a universe? Why? What is a star? What is sun? So, star means a large ball of hot burning gases. What is star? A hot, a large ball of hot burning gases are known as star. Sun is also a star. Why it is a star? Because same, that is also a large, it also have a burning gases and it is very hot also. What does sun gives? Sun gives us heat and light. So it looks bigger and brighter than other star because it is near to the earth. Why we see sun brighter and bigger since it is a star? Because it is near to our earth, whereas other stars look smaller because they are far away from the earth. So how we can see stars, planet, etc. So with the help of a telescope we can see our universe. So what is the universe? Universe means thousands of stars, planets and other heavenly body are known as universe. Universe contains a large group of cluster of stars that is known as galaxy. So in we live in Akash Ganga or Milky Way galaxy. So how does this universe has been created? So a huge big explosion of or a bang of a huge fireball was created many years ago. That fireball separated out over a vast space. As it slowly cooled down, tiny particles were formed. Over a many thousands of years, these particles came together to form a heavenly body. Scientists believe that this is how the universe was created. So this theory is known as Big Bang theory. So what is Big Bang theory? First of all, a huge fireball was created. After that, it separates out over a vast space. Then slowly it cools down and tiny particles were formed. That tiny particles takes thousands of years to come together and form a planet. That is known as universe and that is known as Big Bang theory. Our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy or Akashganga galaxy. Now in our galaxy there are planets, satellites. So there are 8 planets, moon or artificial satellites are there. So the lines, the sun is the center of the solar system. After that it comes Mercury, which is the smallest planet, then Venus, then third position is Earth, then fourth is Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. So how you will learn this, all the planets in a line. So how we will see this and how we will learn this? My very excellent mother just serve you nuts. This is the smallest trick to learn all the planets in a number. Again, my very excellent mother just serve you nuts. So this is how you will learn your whole planet system. Okay, so there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now, how this planet word came? So planet word is basically came from Greek, which is wondered. Okay, so all the planets in the solar systems moves around the sun at different distance and speed. Okay, this is the center of the solar system, which is sun, and all the planets move around the sun like this. Okay, so all the planets have 2 kind of movements. First is spin round, and the second is on the around the sun. So what is rotation and what is revolution? I am giving you simple example of rotation. So rotation means our fan moves on its axis, that is our rotation. And what is revolution? So revolution means one thing moving around the other thing, that is known as revolution. So how our earth is moving? Our earth is moving like this around the sun. Okay, so this movement like a fan is known as rotation, and moving around the sun, that is known as revolution. So what is the definition of rotation and revolution? The spin round and round on an imaginary line is called its axis, and this movement is called rotation. Planet and satellites also revolves or move around the sun. That movement is known as revolution. Now, what is a satellite? So our earth have a satellite which is our moon. So around, as earth moves around the sun, samely a moon revolves around the earth. Okay, again our earth moves around the sun, same as earth is the center and the moon revolves around the earth. So the moon is our satellite. So many planets in the solar system have small companions known as satellite moving around them. Satellites are in different size, shapes and different numbers. Okay, but our earth have only and only one satellite, that is known as moon. Okay, that's it for today. Our chapter is over. Hope you have understand it. Kindly refer or contact me if you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the second video. Bye.